They say you are the creator of your own reality. But what if, for most of your life, the creator hasn't really been you? What if it's been your subconscious, the silent operator working beneath the surface, repeating programs you didn't even choose? Think about this: your conscious mind is responsible for about 5% of your decisions. The other 95%? That's your subconscious, quietly running the show. Every habit, reaction, fear, and pattern of success or struggle, it all begins in the mind's hidden layer. The question is, how do you take back authorship? How do you reprogram what was written long ago so it starts working for you instead of against you? Welcome back to Infinite Possibilities of You, where we explore how awareness, energy, and mindset create your reality. If you're ready to learn how to reprogram your subconscious mind step by step, you've come to the right place. Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Step 1: Awareness. Reveal the program. You can't reprogram what you can't see. The first step is awareness. The subconscious hides behind repetition. It speaks in habits and emotions, not words. So begin by observing what repeats in your life. What situations trigger the same feeling over and over: guilt, fear, frustration? What patterns keep looping even when you know better? Those are your programs in motion. Grab a notebook and start noticing. I always attract the same kind of relationships. I earn more, then somehow spend it all. I get close to success and self-sabotage. No judgment, just observation. Awareness dissolves shame and replaces it with choice. When you can name a program, you stand outside of it. Step 2: Acceptance. No war within. Most people resist what they find. They see a belief like, "I'm not enough," and try to fight it. But what you resist persists, because resistance feeds attention, and attention is fuel for the subconscious. So instead of fighting, accept. I see this program. It's been running for years, trying to keep me safe. Gratitude softens the grip. Your subconscious isn't your enemy, it's a loyal servant following outdated instructions. Speak to it gently. Thank you for protecting me. I'm safe now. You can rest. This emotional compassion opens the door for rewiring. Step 3: Clarity. Choose a new command. The subconscious doesn't delete, it replaces. If you don't install a new command, the old one reloads. Decide clearly, what do I want to believe instead? Maybe it's, I am worthy of success. I am safe to receive love. Money flows to me because I create value. I trust myself completely. Write it in present tense, emotional language, and believe it now. Your subconscious is literal, it responds to feeling, not grammar. Attach an emotion that matches your new truth. Step 4: Impression through repetition. Here lies the secret Bob Proctor taught his students for decades: repetition is impression. Whatever idea you impress upon the subconscious repeatedly and emotionally becomes a belief. You don't need hours of meditation. You need consistency. Choose a short affirmation or visualization and repeat it several times a day, especially in the open states when your brainwaves slow. Just after waking. Just before sleep. During light meditation or relaxation. At these times, the conscious guard relaxes, and the subconscious listens. See your new belief vividly. Feel it. Don't try to believe it, act as though it's already true. Emotion is the language of the subconscious, repetition is its teacher. If this resonates, take a deep breath and show gratitude. Every like, comment, and subscribe helps this message of awareness reach those ready to awaken. Step 5: Emotional rehearsal. Your subconscious doesn't understand words, it understands feelings. So rehearse the emotion of your new reality daily. If your affirmation is, "I am abundant," then feel abundance now. If your affirmation is, "I am loved," feel love now. If your affirmation is, "I am confident," feel it in your body, shoulders back, breath steady. This emotional rehearsal wires new neural connections. Over time, the old emotional signature fades because the new one becomes dominant. Science confirms this: it's neurons that fire together wire together. You're not just changing your mind, you're physically restructuring your brain. Step 6. Environment alignment. Your environment reinforces programming. Look around your space, your phone, your friends, your routines. Do they support your new identity or pull you back into the old one? You can't rise into a new frequency while swimming in the vibration of your past. Replace inputs. Follow people who embody your new beliefs. Read, watch, and listen to content that matches your future self. Declutter symbols of limitation, old reminders of scarcity or failure. Every detail communicates a message to your subconscious. Curate the messages. Step 7. Act as if. Action finalizes programming. When you act in alignment with your new belief, even before evidence appears, you send a powerful command: "This is who I am now." You don't wait to feel ready, you act, and readiness follows. Each action is a vote for the new identity. Act abundant by giving. Act confident by speaking. Act loved by opening. Soon, the subconscious can't tell the difference between pretend and truth. It updates the operating system to match the data. Step 8. Reinforce with gratitude. Gratitude locks in the vibration. When you thank life for a result before it arrives, you prove faith. Faith is the bridge between subconscious and superconscious. Each time you feel gratitude, you broadcast, "It's done." And the universe rearranges itself to mirror that signal. So end each night by writing 3 sentences, beginning with, "I'm grateful because." Not for things you hope for, but for feelings you already have. I'm grateful because I'm finally trusting life. I'm grateful because peace feels normal now. I'm grateful because I'm learning to receive. Gratitude is the emotional glue that seals the program. Step 9. Repetition over time. Reprogramming isn't a single meditation, it's a lifestyle. Think of brushing your teeth. You don't do it once and declare your mouth clean forever. You repeat it because maintenance keeps the system clear. Likewise, keep rehearsing your new beliefs daily until they feel effortless. That's how you know they've integrated, when you no longer have to remind yourself, you simply are. If this process is helping you remember your power, pause for a moment of gratitude. Each like, comment, and subscribe extends the vibration of awareness around the world. Step 10. Embodiment and faith. Reprogramming ends where embodiment begins. Embodiment means you no longer chase the feeling, you live from it. Your choices, tone, posture, and energy reflect your inner certainty. At this stage, you don't visualize to get, you visualize to express. You've become the vessel through which your higher self moves. Faith is no longer something you practice, it's something you are. The subconscious now serves your conscious intention. You've reclaimed authorship. Troubleshooting sabotage. There will be days you slip into the old vibration. Don't panic. That's not failure, it's feedback. When you catch yourself thinking, "This isn't working," smile. That's proof of awareness. Gently return to gratitude, repetition, and feeling. The old program loses power each time you notice it without judgment. Awareness starves old wiring of energy. The ultimate truth. You are not your program. You are the consciousness that programs. Your subconscious is clay. Your attention is the sculptor. Each day you mold, refine, and perfect the shape of your reality through what you think, feel, and expect. There is no limit except the one you're still believing in. Comment below and share one belief you're ready to reprogram starting today. Declare it. Writing it is the first act of installation. Remember, transformation doesn't require strain. It requires consistency, emotion, and faith. You are the programmer, the signal, and the creation all at once. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being part of infinite possibilities of you. Every moment you spend in awareness uplifts this collective frequency of humanity. And in the next video, we'll take everything you've learned even deeper, into how to live in harmony with your higher self. You'll learn how to connect daily with that quiet intelligence within you that always knows the way, the timing, and the next aligned step. Until then, stay aware, stay grateful, and keep tuning into the infinite possibilities of you.